Hi everyone, today I am showing you a cinnamon, cayenne pepper and aloe vera hair growth mask. You'll need 1 aloe vera, cayenne pepper and cinnamon. I'm scraping the gel out of the leaf and I'll be adding water, a half a cup to be exact, and mix it up in the blender together with the gel. So aloe vera has many benefits, and those are it conditions the hair, it reduces dandruff and a itchy scalp, it strengthens and repairs hair strands, has many active ingredients that promotes hair growth. You need to make sure you're not allergic to the gel though. I'm using a stocking, you can use a strainer too. Use a cup or a glass because I was struggling with the bowl. We are straining it so that there aren't any chunks that might get stuck in your hair. So that's what it looks like blended. That looks like something, if you know what I mean. So there are the chunks in there. You can rinse the stocking or throw it away, whatever you choose. Use another bowl to add 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon encourages healthy hair growth by causing a tingling sensation which increases circulation to the hair follicles. It also prevents buildup on the scalp from common problems that cause hair loss such as dandruff. Then you'll be adding a half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper improves peripheral blood circulation and nourishes the scalp. It has capsaicin, which is a powerful ingredient for healthy scalp. Add the aloe vera mixed with water gradually to the cinnamon and cayenne pepper. You'll be stirring until you get a smooth, thick paste that looks chocolatey. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be showing you how to apply this mask to your hair. Bye!